We will talk about what cilantro is and why it's beneficial for your health. Cilantro, often found gracing our kitchens and spicing up our dishes, is more than just a humble herb. It carries a world of goodness within its delicate leaves, offering an array of health benefits. So if you're intrigued by the potential of this common yet often overlooked kitchen staple, stick around and we'll delve deep into the world of cilantro. So, what exactly is cilantro, you may ask? Well, it's a delightful herb, known to many as the secret ingredient that adds a unique zest to any dish. Its leaves are often used in culinary creations worldwide, from salsas to curries, and it's heralded for its distinctive flavor that can elevate a dish from mundane to magical in just a sprinkle. But did you know that cilantro is a chameleon of sorts in the world of herbs? That's right. It's also known as coriander in many parts of the globe. While in North America, cilantro refers to the fresh, vibrant leaves of the plant, coriander typically denotes the seeds, which are used as a spice. However, in several other regions, coriander is the term used for the entire plant, leaves, stems, and seeds alike. Now that we know what cilantro is, let's find out where it comes from. Cilantro has a rich history and a wide array of uses in various cuisines. Originating from regions around the Mediterranean and Middle East, cilantro, also known as coriander, has been a culinary staple for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians and Greeks valued it for both its aromatic allure and medicinal properties. Over time, cilantro journeyed along trade routes, finding its way to Asia, Africa, and the Americas. Today, it's hard to imagine many global cuisines without this herb. In Mexico, it's a must-have topping for tacos and guacamole. In India, it's a key ingredient in chutneys and curry dishes. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, it's often used in salads, stews, and meat dishes. But cilantro isn't just a flavor enhancer. It's also used as a garnish, its bright green leaves adding a pop of color to dishes. And let's not forget about coriander seeds, the dried fruit of the cilantro plant. These seeds are ground into a spice that's a favorite in many recipes. Cilantro's unique flavor profile, a bold mix of citrusy, nutty, and spicy notes, makes it versatile and universally loved. Whether it's sprinkled over a hot bowl of pho in Vietnam, stirred into a pot of jollof rice in Nigeria, or blended into a refreshing mojito in Cuba, cilantro adds a distinctive touch that elevates the dish. With its rich history and diverse culinary uses, cilantro is truly a global herb. But what about its health benefits? Cilantro is not just a flavorful herb, it's also packed with numerous health benefits. This vibrant green plant does more than just jazz up your salsa or curries. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that can contribute positively to your overall well-being. One of the key health benefits of cilantro is its strong antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are vital for protecting our bodies against harmful free radicals. These free radicals can cause oxidative stress, leading to a variety of health issues including heart disease and cancer. By incorporating cilantro into your meals, you're giving your body a helping hand in fighting off these potential threats. But the benefits don't stop there. Cilantro is also known to aid digestion. It's been used in traditional medicines for centuries to soothe upset stomachs and alleviate digestive discomfort. This is because cilantro can stimulate digestive enzymes and juices, helping your body to break down food more efficiently. If you've ever felt bloated or uncomfortable after a meal, a sprinkling of cilantro might just be what your digestive system needs. And let's not overlook cilantro's potential role in regulating blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that cilantro can help to lower blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial herb for those managing diabetes. So, not only does cilantro add a burst of flavor to your meals, it also boosts your health in multiple ways. We've learned a lot about cilantro today. This humble herb, with its origins steeped in history, has found its way into our kitchens and our hearts. Its unique flavor enhances our meals, and its myriad health benefits, from its antioxidant properties to aiding digestion, make it a potent ally in our wellness journey. Next time you see cilantro in the grocery store or on your plate, remember its rich history and impressive health benefits. Consider adding it to your diet for a flavor and health boost.